Hey there, YouTube. Another repair I had to do here. I uh I get about 5 vacuums every few months from a local gym that my step niece attends, and this is one of them. The blue Sanyo in the back is the other one, but I'm not gonna probably vid that one. I didn't really want to vid this one. It's not one of my favorites, but I've got a buddy on here, Dirt Devil 96, who would definitely appreciate this machine and anything from my buds, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a bit of this one. It's a Featherlite, 12 amps, really scratched up and looking bad. It actually ran really good because at the gym they use powder on their feet and hands. The filters and bags and all clog up real easy, so it just needed a really good thorough cleaning. And then I use some diamond cut compound to buff all the scuffs and scratches out of it so it's nice and shiny again, as you can see. So I'll do a demo. I won't be able to demo the hose for you because it's kind of permanently taped on. The hose pops off all the time, so the gym just taped it on. So attachments don't really do it any good anymore, but here we go. And that's that. A Black Dirt Devil Featherlight. Hope you enjoy.